Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Coming up first, we have Avalanche. Avalanche got my attention this morning, trading here at the R4, R3 level. This would be an area of premium. So I would be looking to sell in this area. And this trade idea would be an R3 to an S3 traverse. I'll walk you through my top-down analysis, and then we'll go through my potential entry here on the 15-minute. Here on the weekly, we can see this is the current strong high. This is the current week low. So we're in a downtrend on the weekly with some pullback here. Here on the 4-hour, we've got quite a bit of displacement here, or expansion here on the 4-hour, and then we can see we're trading here in this range here, and then up here on the 15-minute, again trading in an area of premium, so I would be looking to sell, and if we come in closer here, again this being the Camarilla pivots here, R4, this being R3. This is currently the market structure, these yellow lines. This is the current market structure of Avalanche. This would be the week high. This would be the strong low. What I would be looking for on Avalanche to take a trade is the price action to close below this strong low to give a market structure shift to signal a potential reversal. This would give me the signal to trade short based on my trading system. I would go short down here to the S3 level. But this is what I'm seeing on Avalanche today. Next up, we have Polkadot. Polkadot got my attention, the same as Avalanche, setting up here in between R3 and R4, which would put it in an area of premium. And again, I would be looking to sell down here to the S3 level for an R3 to S3 traverse. Here on the weekly, we can see that Polkadot has been trending down, has been selling off. This is the current strong high. Nope, that won't be the strong high there. And actually, no, may be the strong high still. This is the here. This is the strong low. This is the weak high. And Polkadot has been selling off since then, and is now in an area where it tested down here. It tested this strong low and rejected here, and has now pulled back. Here on the 4-hour, we can see we've got some expansion here on the 4-hour chart, and we're trading here in this large range here. On the 15-minute chart, again trading in an area of premium this morning, and then we can see, we zoom in, this is the current market structure, this is the week high, this is the strong low. We can see that in these past two candles, Polkadot has tested this strong low. What I would be looking for is for Polkadot to close below this strong low, and then I would take an entry and potentially trade down here to the S3 level. But this is what I'm seeing on Polkadot this morning. Polkadot looks the closest to being able to initiate a trade on. I would say structurally and based on the Camarilla pivots, Polkadot is my top choice or my number one currency pair on my watch list for this morning. Next up, we have Near Protocol. Near Protocol here got my attention trading here at R3. R4 is up here. R4 is up here, so it's trading in an area of premium. So I'd be looking to sell and do a traverse from R3 down to S3. Here on the weekly, this is the current strong high. This is the current week low down here. So we're selling here on the week, and then here on the 4-hour, a lot of it, or this area of expansion. This is the current strong low. This is the current week high. So in an uptrend, so at the edge of a range. So I do like to be at the edge of a range to catch the opposing trade action here. And actually, let's the same thing. If we go back here to Polkadot, you can see we're at the edge of a range. Can come back. Same thing here on Avalanche, here at the edge of a range, and then want to come back into that range. That's another thing that I look for here on the 4-hour that I failed to mention in the other two currency pair explanations. And then up here on the 15-minute, we've got the market structure here is quite large. And I noticed the same thing on currency pairs like Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Cardano, Litecoin. Most of the currency pairs today have this very wide market structure, even to the point where they're at 50% of the range between R3 and S3, or even below. So I wound up picking these currency pairs just because they had better risk to reward potential from a structural perspective. You would need something to break out or do a break of structure long, and then set up a new structure and then break it, which could happen, but that's asking quite a lot for a sell-off. But I mean, I definitely see currency pairs on a daily and weekly basis break the opposite of where they would trade structurally first, and then later, like in the morning, they'll break the opposite of the trade direction of the cams, and then in the afternoon they'll trade back into it. So this is something that is common enough, but I've not seen since I've been trading this particular system here, or my current system. But here we can see the market structure. This is the current week high. This is the current strong low here. So what I would be looking for is for a close below this structural level here for a short down to S3 here. So not a lot on this trade I would anticipate, but it's above the 50%. So in this range here, from a 50% perspective, this would be, let's say, premium up here. And this would be discount down here from a range perspective. So any selling I would want to do from here. Any buying I would want to do from here. But this is what I'm seeing this morning on Near Protocol. And we have Injective. Injective, same thing here, setting up in the area between Camarilla pivot R4 and R3, so in an area of premium. So I'd be looking to sell this R3 down to the S3 traverse here, going to the weekly in a small range or a tight range, or let's say a narrow range here on the weekly. This being the current week low, this being the current strong high. So selling here on the weekly. We've got expansion here on the 4-hour chart. We're also also trading in a large range, and we're at the opposite end of the range from where we want to trade to. So this is also something that I like to see, as I mentioned before. Here on the 15-minute, I'll walk you through what I'm looking for a potential entry. So to take an entry here, I would be looking for Injective to close below this strong low in order to take an entry here. And if it did, then again I would take the trade the rest of the way down here to S3 if at all possible here. But this is what I'm seeing this morning. Actually, I'll go, or actually, like with all of these, you can see that the price action is headed towards the upper end of the range, and may put in just a completely new market structure before the market opens in about 45 minutes. So if buying continues, this is likely, which would change the perspective of today. And I would likely have a different watch list. I would likely go with Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Cardano. I would probably watch those four. If there's a breakup structure to the long side consistently across the market. So we'll keep an eye on things and see how things go this morning. But we can see here Injective is buying, so it's going higher into the range of premium. If there's a breakup structure, then this will tighten this structural range up and give a better risk to reward scenario here for this trade. You can see Near Protocol still trading in the range. Polkadot still looking weak. If Polkadot sells off below this level in the pre-market, I'm going to take this trade. I prefer to wait for the open, but with the crypto market being open well before the New York opens up, it could be ready to go much sooner. So even though I do trade the U.S. market, the crypto market operates on a slightly different time frame. So we'll see what happens. But this would be a combination with the afternoon in London and the pre-market in the United States. We can see AVAX here still selling off a bit. So this is how things are looking this morning. This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto